So we're going to apply that sense of the tibial torsion now onto the reformer. So this is a prep exercise. I like to add a bit of load once we've found that newfound movement in the body. So I've just got a medium spring and I'm going to sit on the foot bar, so make sure that's quite secure. And I'm going to extend my leg to start, making sure I've got my ankle, my knee, and my hip beautifully aligned. Now, as you bend your knee, you might just want to twist inward slightly with your hands again, and then extend back out. So bend, find that inward twist, making sure you're not collapsing that knee inwards. And then we can do that without the assistance, just having a sense of that happening, yeah? So your touch is going to train your brain, and then you have to see if you can feel that working on its own. You can then apply that to anything that you're doing on the reformer, like your reformer footwork on the wonder chair, like your footwork on the wonder chair, walking, climbing stairs, anything that needs your body to really facilitate that bend and straighten of the knee with correct alignment, making sure that we're reminding the body that it has to dial and that it doesn't just get stuck in one position. So we've got these lovely subtle joint mobility actions going on.